Power on. Kangen Water 9.5.
Water. It is the foundation of life as we know it. Without water, there is no life on Earth. It is powerful and patient. Dripping water can wear away a mountain. Water is soothing. When you plunge your hand into it, all you feel is a caress. Kangen water is refreshing and vitalizing. It will quench even the greatest thirst. But water is more complex than most think. It has a spirit, a soul. Water embodies the spirit of the entrepreneur. It always goes where it wants to go, and nothing in the end can stand against it. If faced with an obstacle, it will bore through it, go over it, or find a way around. It is undeterred in its mission. Water is relentless, driven. It will not be stopped. It will fall from the sky or rise from the ground. It rushes down mountains and carves out canyons. It gathers together to form mighty rivers and vast oceans. Water does not know failure. It only knows success. Remember, you are a being of water. Remember this always. Accept who you are, what you are. Embrace the spirit of water. You are an unstoppable force. You are water. You are Enagic.